hope you are doing well. Today I will make another video for you, and this is actually review video, website review. So I have already created this website for my client, and now I want to review and show to you the website full design. So I will show the price at the last of this video, and if you continue this video then you can see. So you can see the design. This is called Figma design, and this design provided by client, and they told me they need exact same design as the website, pixel perfect with responsive. Okay, so there are 7 pages in here, so let's see one by one. This is home page, and here is the hero section, and top here is the header section. Okay, there is a slider. Actually this is still image, that is not sliding. So if we see the website then we can see it sliding. And this is another section. This is also a static section, and this is another section. And let's move another page. This is Somos page. Actually Somos means I don't know. Actually this is the Spanish language. Okay, so and this is the service pages. And I'm not sure about this. If we translate this then we can know what is meaning. Okay, and this is also same, and this is the blog page. So here is the blog section, and this is called blog archive page. And last, this is the contact page. So here is the form, and user can submit contact form. So I have created this form using Elementor. Okay, so we have already seen the Figma design. Now let's move into the main website. So what I have created for my client. So go to the website. So here is website I have already opened. So first of all we can see this is the home page, and this is the menu, and this is the slider. So if we go to this here, look at this. So it's not sliding in here, but this is a nice sliding, like smoothly right to left. So and this is the button. When click here, it will redirect to another page. Okay, and look at this is another animation. Look at when I scrolling down, it will zooming up, and look at here. And also there is the animation. Look at here. Okay, and look at this section. So comment below how is the section, and if you would like to know how I done this, I will make a video for you. So this is the logo section. It is scrolling, okay, from right to left, and this is the footer section. So we have done the home page, and now go to the service pages. So here is the service page. Okay, so here is the another hover animation. So look at here, when I hover on the picture, and the picture look like blur, and showing the icon. Okay, same as this, also same as. So if you want to know how I created this, then comment below. I will show a video for you. So how I created this. Okay, and this is the same logo section, is link, and this is the footer. Okay, so go to the blog page. And here is the blog page. This is also same. Look at here. So this is look like a dynamic portion, not a static portion. This is coming from WordPress backend. So this is WordPress post section. I mean post archive page. This is blog page. Okay, and this is the contact page at last page. So here is the contact form, and also this is the recaptcha, because to prevent the spamming. Okay, so for that I have added recaptcha. So this is Elementor form, and I have created that using that form. Okay, so and overall this is the website, and so here is the multi-language, so you can switch English and Spanish anytime from the header area. Okay, and let me know how website design, and it is pixel perfect or not. And lastly I would like to share with you about the project price. So actually this is the 7 pages website, and so average per page 50 USD, and that means 950 USD total project price, and time is 5 days. Okay, so again thank you guys, and if you like the video then the like button. If you want to learn, or if you want to know anything from it, then comment below. I will share with you.